Hi, I am Piyush Sriwastava, All India Rank 1 in IIT JAM 2016. Getting a good rank in any examination requires help from your teachers, mentorship from your seniors, guidance, and support from your parents. At last, a very good and precise study material. IIT JAM is not a very easy examination that requires a precise study material, and you have to have a very good concepts of all the theory part and numerical part as well. I am a part of Eduncle team. I am preparing the study material, and I believe the material being prepared by the team of Eduncle, which involves the IITs and IISc faculty as well as the toppers like me. So I will highly recommend the aspirants to go through the study material being prepared by us. Hoping you guys will do good in examination. Best of luck.